Hi first graders, today we're doing lesson 4.7. It's all about understanding tens and ones. So we're going to get started by first, I'm going to draw you a picture on the math board. And if you have your math board in class with you or at home, you can follow along. I'm going to make you a number and then we're going to talk about how many tens, how many ones, what those numbers mean, and make an equation. So here we go. Remember when we draw through all of these, that is going to represent 10 when you make that straight line down of the 10 stick. Okay, so far I want you to think, how many 10s have I shown here? Okay, and I'm going to try to write the number as small as I can underneath here. Okay, so as you can see, we have 10, 20, 30, 40. Now, what does it mean when I just circle one of these? These are extra ones. Okay, so right now, we have a number, and how many 10s are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many ones? 1, 2, 3. What number means 4 10s? You can see it right here, 4 10s. And what number means 3 1s? That would be 3. So we're going to add those together with an equation. Okay, so we want to write, maybe I'll put it up here so you guys can see it, and you can write this equation as well. We're going to write 40 plus 3 equals, and we're going to count at 40 and count up 3 ones. So it'd be 41, 42, 43. So 40 plus 3 is 43. And I want to show you what that looks like on the secret code cards. Okay, so we're going to go to my other screen here. Oops, yep, there we go. All right, and like we learned before with the team numbers, this 3 goes in the ones place. It's just going to cover up the 0. Okay, it's still there. It still represents 4 10s, as you can see right here. But we're putting the 3 over the 0 and making a new number of 43. Okay, I want to flip this over and show you just like we did on the math board here. We have our 10 sticks, 4 of them, and we have our 3 extra ones. Okay, so let's move on to another one. We are going to draw 6 10 sticks. So I want you to erase your board. 10, 20, go ahead and do it with me on your math board. 30, 40, 50, 60. Okay, I want to teach you something. When we're done with the 10s, we're going to say freeze, so we know that we need to stop before we keep going, because some students like to get carried away once they get counting by 10s. So the number that we're making here, friends, I'll show you, is 65. Okay, 65. And we're doing our 10s first with our 10 sticks. And if you have room underneath, which it's really hard for me, so you guys know 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and we say freeze so that we know that we're done with our 10s, and we're going to move on to our ones. We got 5 ones. Okay, so now you're going to circle up 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and the last thing we have to do is make our equation. We have to think about what number is hiding in the number 65. And we can go back to this slide here, and we have 60 and 5. And you can kind of see right here, 60 is in the number 65. 65. And we check the back of the secret code card, we can see the 6 10 sticks, and the back of the 5 extra ones. Okay? So that's kind of the basis of what we're going to work on today, friends. All right, yep, we already tried some. We did that. We wrote the equation. Awesome, we're rocking it. All right, so now we're going to go to our workbook page. And the first thing on your paper is your name, and then we're going to get started. So remember, these sticks right here are called 10 sticks, and they're worth 10. Okay, so let's start counting by 10. 10, 20, freeze. Now we're on to the ones. 21, 22, 23. Write that in the box. 23. Let's do another one. First, we start with the tens. Are you ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Freeze. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57. I'm wondering if you're noticing how they split up these circles. Can you see the 5 group on the top? I see 5, 6, 7. Ah, they did it like that so it's easier for us to see. Let's check out the next one. Remember, we count up our tens first. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Freeze. Move on to the ones. 81. And I think I can see here that they also put a little break in between here so that you know that this is a 5 group. 5 group, then a couple more, and your ones. All right, I'm going to have you do 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 by yourself. Remember, these represent 10, and these represent 1. Come to the back side, please. Now we have to draw them for ourselves and write the equation. This is something we didn't really practice earlier in the video because I think you can pick up on it pretty quick. So we have to look at our number. Okay, so our number is 32. We have to draw 10 sticks and circles to make that number. Okay, so first we start in the tens place. How many tens do we have? I'll underline that so you can see. How many tens do we have? Okay, 3 tens. Let's do it. 10, 20, 30. Freeze. Now we have to go to the ones. How many in the ones place? Yep, there's 2. So now we're going to make our 2 circles. We're going to try and draw really neat so that our picture is easy to read. Good, so we have our representation with 10 sticks and circles showing the number 32. Now we want to make the equation. So how many tens? Yep, 3 tens, just like you told me before. 3 tens. How many ones? 2 ones. We put those together to make that number 32. Oops, sorry for the noise. It's just my puppy. Okay, let's try one more together. Which one looks like one that we want to do? Let's do 93. This one, we'll do number 15, 93. All right, so let's check the tens place first. There's 9. We got to make 9 10 sticks. Ready? 1, 2. Oh, you know what I should be saying? I should be saying 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Oops. And I'm going to leave a little space. 60, 70, 80, 90. Now we have to check our ones place. Check the ones place. What's in the ones place? 3 ones. So we draw our circles. 1, 2, and 3. Let's make our equation. Okay, first we're going to do our tens. How many tens did we say? 9. And we know that 9 tens, the number for 9 tens is 90, and 3 extra ones equals 93. My pen doesn't want to work. 3. There we go. Awesome. You do 14 and 16 by yourself. I'll do one of these with you, and then I want you to do the other one. So number 17 says, draw 10 sticks in circles and write the number. So now it's giving it to us in words, and we have to figure out how many 10 sticks and how many circles we should do. So we have 4 tens, and we represent tens with the stick, so let's do that. 10, 20, 30, 40, or 4 tens. We have 8 ones, so let's draw our 8 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What's that number? 4 tens and 8 ones. If you look at it, you can kind of see it. 48. All right, please try 18 on your own, and you can also do check for understanding. So that would be drawing the 10 sticks and circles to show for 63. So how many tens? How many ones? Okay, and then it also says write the number of tens and ones. So if you just want to make a blank and then write the word tens and then make a blank and write the word ones and then fill that in. How many tens? How many ones? And then you're done for the day. Great job. Thank you.